Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. So, this video was shot on the day of our first dosage of COVID vaccination. Although I am putting this video after approximately 2 days, or you can see precisely to be around 40 hours. So in the end of the video I will be also sharing what kind of effects our body is showing, or do we got some pain or anything else like this, so that I will share in the end of the video. So in the beginning you can see we have reached the facility from where we have booked our vaccine. So this is the COVID vaccination site, and to be pretty honest, so here I didn't find the arrangements not very much up to the mark. As you can see, the people are standing here and there, and there was no proper queue. And first of all, there was no proper segregation for 18 plus persons or for the 45 plus age group persons. So we all have to go on a single counter, and there, like you can see in the video, a person is sitting with a small table having some forms with him. So we just have to show our slots that we have booked on our phone, or the printouts that we are having. So based upon the confirmation from that slots, that person will provide to the form to fill in. So they have just segregated the 18 plus and 45 plus age group. You can see they are having some yellow coupons and some blue coupons. So based upon your age group, you will get the form which is having a particular coupon, and after receiving the form you have to fill it. Here we have received our forms, and the sad part is they don't provide you any pen and all. So if you are going for vaccination, please carry your pen with you. So after that, there was a huge waiting, although we have booked our slot for 11 to 12 p.m. but we reached our center around the 10:30 to 10:45, but still we have to wait for quite a long some time. So you can see here people are standing here and there. Some people are sitting in their cars because there was a long waiting time, although they have certain arrangements made inside the facility also, but there were so many people. So the view that you are looking right now is the facility that we have entered after our number has come and we have gone through our vitals. That is the first stage we have crossed. This facility was pretty nice. There was huge space available there to sit and all. So this is the main place where the vaccination will take place. So after completing all the procedures like your verification, your payment and all, again you have to wait, and this was again also a bit messy. You can see there are a lot many people waiting outside and all. So after that, when you will submit your form inside it, and they will call out your names. So then we'll go for the vaccination. So here we are waiting to get our turn. So now in the next scene you will see how the procedure will look like, although it was just a 1 or 2 minute task for which you have to wait quite long. So we have chosen for Covaxin that me and my husband both have taken. So here you will see my husband in the clip, because for me I have some photographs, I'll try to attach them. So we both have taken. During the time of vaccination it was just like a 1 minute task we have done, although after vaccination we have to sit for 30 minutes under observation. That area was quite peaceful and nice. You can see it's full of recliners everywhere. So some people are really enjoying, and I'm saying they are just completing their sleep over there also. So there it was quite nice, and they have put some photo booth also, so where people are taking their selfies or they are taking their photographs. So it was at the end it ended in a very good manner, like it was in the beginning. So at the end, after 30 minutes, we all were fine, and we both got our vaccination cards, and they have provided our next slot for the vaccination for the dose 2 that we have to take approximately after 28 days for the first vaccine. So this is the time when we are leaving the facility. For us it has taken almost 3 hours to get completed all this stuff, because we reached there around at 10:30 to 10:45, and we got vaccinated around at 1. So around at 1:30, after our observation period was over, so we left the facility. So overall it was an okay experience, I can say. And now it's approximately 40 hours. So I just got a little pain in my arm where the shot was there. For my husband it was like slightly feverish body pain, and he got some, like, he was feeling a bit cold, like shivering and all. But overall it was very nice, I can say, because we were kind of excited also to go. So I would request everyone so that you can go and take your vaccine.